and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess, and today's video is going to be a 3-month hair review on this hair that I got from Luxury Hair Silhouette. This is actually my 3rd review that I am doing for this company, so if you want to check out the other 2 textures that I have reviewed, I will have them linked down in the bottom bar. This specific texture is called Cashmere Natural Straight. I created a vanity wig unit. If you would like to inquire about having a wig made by me, you can email me at vanityiinsanity119@gmail.com and I'll shoot you over the information that you need to know, okay? So this hair is actually straight hair. I've been wearing it for 3 months since January, and this was originally supposed to be my birthday hair, but I didn't get it in time. I had so much going on. I had so many things I was doing, so I wasn't able to create my wig in time, but I have been enjoying it over the past 3 months, okay? I have seen me pop in and out with this hair. It is just gorgeous.